unhealthy fat. In the last part we discussed healthy fat, which is obtained from plant fats. In this part we are going to discuss unhealthy fat, which is obtained from animal fat. That includes butter, meat, cheese, milk. And since it is unhealthy and causes excessive amount of fat in our tissues and bodies when it is stored, so we recommend its consumption should be low. So since its consumption is preferred low and it causes unhealthy problems in our body, it is called unhealthy fat. Moving on to our third nutrient, proteins. Proteins are made up of long chains of different amino acids, and it is made up of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen, CHON. It provides energy, and it is the basic building block for cells, tissues, enzymes, and hormones. So whenever we say that we are talking about cells, tissues, enzymes, or hormones, we know it very well that these all are made up of proteins. Proteins has this basic function that it is essential for growth and repair, and you know it very well. We say that in order to grow long nails, long hairs, or we want to have have a good height, we usually suggest to increase protein intake. So essential for growth and repair. In our body, our muscles, cartilages, and tendons are made up of proteins, just like our cells, tissues, enzymes, or hormones have proteins. What is the difference between muscles and cartilages and tendons is that muscles, are the connective tissues, but cartilages are rubber-like elastic connective tissues. And you find cartilages in your outer ear, which you use in piercing and in joints and larynx. And you know it very well that larynx, we can see larynx when we slaughter cows during Eid. You see this the long larynx of cows. It is made up of proteins, and it is actually cartilage. Tendons are also made up of proteins. And what are tendons? Tendons are actually the kind of a tissue material that holds muscle tissues. So in our body, muscles and cartilages 6 minute ki ho gayi hai.